In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record expenses that are billable to a customer in QuickBooks. If you want to streamline your billing process and make sure every reimbursable cost is tracked accurately, this walkthrough will help you handle the task with confidence. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks online website, click the Sign In button and enter your login details. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where all your financial tools are organized for easy access. Make sure you're working inside QuickBooks Online, especially if your account includes other Intuit products. Selecting the correct version helps you avoid confusion as you move through the steps. Next, navigate to the Expenses section. You'll find it in the left side menu. This area contains a complete list of your transactions, organized to help you locate the one you need without any trouble. Take a moment to scroll through the list until you find the specific expense you want to bill to a customer. When you click on the transaction, QuickBooks will open the details so you can review or update the information. One of the most important steps in this process is marking the expense as billable. Look for the checkbox labeled billable and make sure it's selected. This tells QuickBooks that the cost should be passed on to a customer and ensures it appears later when you create their invoice. Without this step, the expense will stay in your records but won't flow into your billing workflow. After marking the expense as billable, choose the correct category for the transaction. Categorizing expenses accurately gives you cleaner financial reports and makes it easier to understand your spending later. Once the category is set, select the customer who should be billed for this cost. QuickBooks will automatically link the expense to that customer so the charge appears when you prepare their invoice. Now, enter the amount that needs to be billed and double-check every detail. Verifying the information before saving is a good habit, especially if you regularly work with multiple clients or projects. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your expense is now recorded, marked as billable, and tied to the appropriate customer. This simple workflow helps you stay organized, avoid missed charges, and keep your billing clean and transparent. Over time, consistently recording billable expenses ensures your business gets reimbursed for every project-related cost and helps maintain strong financial tracking. And that wraps up this tutorial on recording billable expenses in QuickBooks. Keeping your expenses accurate and well-structured not only improves your billing system, but also supports clearer financial insights for your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again with more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.